cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Ford Escape, and we're going to do the front panel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the front panel looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the front panel. Link for the product we provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the front panel. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating, you could use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel. Grab your slip solution, spray it onto your microfiber towel, and start removing any contaminants that the panel may have, and also just clean around the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the trim, it doesn't catch any contaminants. So once you finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So since it's just a one-piece installation, all we need to do is just make sure we keep it aligned. So you can start from this end, just align it on the edge, and just double check and see that you're covering both the top and the bottom section with the film. So just adjust it as you go, and then just follow the design of the panel to align the film. Okay, just double check and see if everything's being covered. And then once everything's good to go, go ahead and just grab your squeegee, use the soft side, and start tacking down the film. Remove all of the air bubbles that are trapped underneath the film. Help the film tack down. And then on this little small curve on both these sections here, we're just going to use our heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer and apply heat around this little curve, and on this one too, just to help remove these small little fingers here. So like I mentioned, we're going to need to apply heat around this small curve here just to help shrink these small little fingers here. So you can use a heat gun or hair dryer, use the lowest setting on your device, let your device warm up just a little bit, and then just apply heat evenly around this area here. Maybe for about 5-6 seconds, apply heat. That way the fingers shrink, and then we'll tack them down slowly. Okay, and then just, you can use your finger or your squeegee just to help it tack down side to side. Okay, and it should look flush like this. You can tuck in the film underneath here. Since there's a little small gap, you could tuck in as much as you can there. Whatever you can't tuck in, you would just need to trim it off. But you would just carefully lift it and tuck inside. And now all we need to do is just apply heat throughout the entire film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And then once we apply heat, we will go ahead and start trimming off the excess material that we don't need. And to trim off the excess material that we don't need, there is a small gap in between the chrome panel and the plastic trim. That small gap is where you would enter your blade. You only need just a little bit of your blade out. Insert it right in the middle, and then just carefully trim off what we don't need. And then you just do this all across the panel, removing any excess material that we don't need. And then once we're done trimming, the last thing to do would be to apply heat and then post heat everything. So the last thing to do once you finish with the installation for the front panel is to post heat everything. So you would just grab your heat device, you can use a heat gun, hair dryer, lowest setting, apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and also help tack down any film that is still lifting around the edges. So once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the front chrome delete installation for the Ford Escape. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other kits for the Ford Escape. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.